Hello and welcome to another vlog, again filmed in this beautiful forest here. So I've been here a few times already, and also this morning I've been lucky yet again. So fog all around me, and I'm also hoping for a bit of light maybe later, because when I drove up here there were some gaps in the clouds. So what I really want to photograph someday is light or streaks of light coming through the trees, and then you have the fog drifting and the sun. It should look very nice here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it. So I return again and again, try again and again, but already this looks very beautiful. Yeah, and the topic of this video is persistence, which I think together with patience is one of the most important virtues of a landscape photographer. At least for me, because I usually don't get such great conditions. So most of the time I'm just out there, won't even take a photo because it just doesn't work. I just don't get the right light or the right weather for the shot or the location I'm at. So what do? I just stay persistent. I go there again and again. And if I'm traveling even, sometimes I already plan to come back a year later or 2 years later, which I did, for example, in New Zealand. The first time I was there, I was in Tongariro, and the clouds were so low, the weather was so bad. In the 2 or 3 days I was there, I didn't see the mountains at all. So when I had the chance to get back to New Zealand, which is something I was very fortunate to do, so it's not very likely that I get there very often because it's at the other side of the world. But when I had the chance to get there, I went there again, and this time was rewarded. And yeah, if you're shooting local like I'm doing now, chances are even higher that at some point persistence will pay off. And that's what it's all about. So trying, also failing, which is important, because only with the failures the successes then feel really good. So if you would take great photo every time you're out, I mean, where's the fun, right? So I think it's very important to just get out, also fail, what I do a lot on my travels. If you've seen my vlog about Sardinia, you know I didn't get many of the photos I wanted to take, but still the few photos I got, those I cherish a lot. Also, it's a reason why I don't replace skies in my photos, because I mean, then I could go out every time, come back, just drop in a sky from another location. Again, where would be the fun? I don't have the failures anymore. There's no reason to practice landscape photography anymore for me then. So all this artificial intelligence stuff might be nice if you have to be very productive and have to get photos to your customer very fast, but yet also takes a bit away of what landscape photography is really about, for me at least. So that's my decision, you can make yours, but still, whatever you do, persistence is important. That's just what I wanted to say. And now I think I'm gonna be persistent, wait a bit longer, be patient, and hope for some light. Otherwise, I already have one photo, so I'm already very glad. I mean, getting up early in the morning, coming to such a place, and getting home with one photo already is great. And I'm gonna show it to you now, and maybe later also photo with the sun. I don't know yet, fingers crossed. If not, I just come back. So let's see what I get. So it's still the same day, and this morning it was quite a success, but I came out to another location which I scouted a few weeks ago. Maybe you remember it. It's the vineyards with the church there in the background. And back then I was telling you I need to get here sometime in autumn with side light and with clouds. And today I'm very lucky. I got both. I got beautiful light, I got clouds behind me, and hopefully I'll have another photo to show you soon. And yeah, really persistence paid off today, and also it's a little bit of luck, or not a little bit, it's a lot luck today. But yeah, you can only get lucky if you're out there. So yeah, now we're gonna take some photos, and then hopefully I have a nice photo to show you.